Okay, so you have now the tongue here. You have the hard palate there. You have the soft palate there. You have the mandible here. You have the oral cavity here. You have the pharynx here. Now this is the nasal cavity proper. That is the oral vestibule. Okay? Kasi nang mahawak, dapat mayroon kang gloves para itataas natin ka. Kasi dito importante. Oh. Now this is the skin. Okay, so we have genioglossus muscle. Ito yung hyoid bone. Geniohyoid. O hyoglossus. Okay? Geniohyoglossus. Geniohyoglossus. Genioglossus. Ito po, pinaka-superficial mylohyoid muscle. Okay? Hindi makita yung digastric kasi nasa lateral. Okay, this is now the thyroid gland, the larynx. We call that the hyoid bone, thyrohyoid. Okay? Now, this is the laryngopharynx. This is the oropharynx. This is the nasopharynx. That is the adenoid. You know, adenoid. Tonsil. That is the palatine tonsil. Okay, so the palatine tonsil. Okay, sinong magtataas? Eh, may gloves ka.
Yeah, tissue.
Tissue yan. Sino? Gloves.
Kasi may